हमारा मंथ एंड चल रहा है और हम आए हैं ज़ूडियो पर। इधर वेस्ट साइड है, इधर मत देखिएगा बिकॉज बाय द टाइम ऑफ मंथ एंड आवर पॉकेट बजट इज़ ओनली अबाउट ज़ूडियो, सो these two are scared of my vlogs these days, but anyway we will go with them. You cannot hide. After doing this much of shopping, so we feel so tired. Now we are having dosha in Arya's. We are in a very extreme bad situation. You can see our flat is into renovation and entire flat is like into a bad condition right now. And here is Mridula enjoying her tea, leaving all the fire out. You can see there nothing is corrected. There is Aparna, her washing machine is on, things are not getting washed, and she is enjoying with her garlic toast, butter garlic toast, and a cup of chaya, masala chaya.
Ashi made the best.
This is a marketing. There is another girl coming whose world is into fire but still having chaya. And this is our.
They could make a meme out of
You
it.
can say. Do not give them ideas. You can say we have our own bed table. You can see like people who goes to Hawaii and all, they have on their swimming pool, but we have on our bed.
Nobody has their own bed, but we have.
We have our bed, luxurious table on our bed.
She will kick them.
After this video reaches to our owner, she will kick us out.
If you look around, then everything.
Everything, this so much of construction is going on. Painting, denting, painting is going on. So denting is done, painting will be done tomorrow. We have washed so many cloths, and this girl is the one who was spending entire day with a chair in the kitchen, and I was sleeping on sofa like KSRTC and she was not at all there, but when she came back she was in a shock. This Valentine week is going on, so you can see the bus is well decorated for Valentine's Day, and even they have written Happy Valentine Day. But for the people who are single like me, will enjoy their chaya at Info Park. So like Info Park chaya is a very big obsession because this is the only thing which make you feel distressed. So now after finishing my work and having a good chaya, now I'm going back to the home after work, and this is the one thing which Info Park have given a gift for the techies. This you can see the e-rickshaw. This is for the people who are traveling within the Info Park itself. It doesn't goes to phase 1, but within phase it doesn't goes to phase 2, but within phase 1 it is free for all the techies. So you can see like I'm personally enjoying this ride in this, and like it was like a Mumbai Darshanam. There is a bus na, it's something like Info Park Darshanam. There is a e-rickshaw. तो अगर आप भी इन्फो पार्क के दर्शन करना चाहते हैं और अगर आप इन्फो पार्क में वर्क करते हैं, सो टेकीज दिस इज़ फ्री फॉर ऑल. यू कैन वेरी वेल कम इन दिस, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी मच कन्वीनियंट पॉकेट फ्रेंडली राइड because here you do not have to pay at all. And now I am back to my flat. So currently you can see like my flat is so much well arranged because just now it got painted like you have seen in the initial of the video. And I have just shifted this dining table location because from here I feel it is much better to have a good view and food as well as. So this is what my new location look like, and I'm so proud of this change. This is the flat where I'm living in Kochi. So in Kochi basically the flat prices are too much high. So if you're planning to shift in Kochi, it's better not to live nearby the areas like Info Park and all, because their flat are so much expensive. Like if I talk about locations like Edapalli and all, also there also flat are expensive, but if you're taking the flats into interior areas, the flat will be like around 15,000 or 20,000. But nowadays, yes, it is very much challenging because if you're living far from your office location, then you have to travel a lot. So that is the biggest issue. So this is like the bad, and all the facilities are given by the owner itself, but just because my flat is near to Info Park, we are being charged like a good price, but we cannot complain on that because there is no one to listen. And if you really want to live, then you have to pay for the charges which they are asking for. So I have recently added that short of my video where I'm telling about the prices and all. But yeah, it is not that easy to live in Info Park, specifically when your budget is less. And these are my plants which are totally dead, and I'm trying to take care of them so that they should be alive because I was not here for almost 1 month. So that's why my plant situation is like this. And the area you can see like it's an Info Park area itself. and this is how, like, it's a view from my room and the view is really good. But the price of the flat is like, currently I'm paying 30,000 for this flat, but there is no AC, there is no other facilities and all. Like, you have to give for the gas bill, electricity bill, and domestic water bill, and then drinking water bill, and after that you have to pay the maintenance charge, and then you have to pay with the rent. So this is all total expenditure is going to come, but it depends upon like where are you living, because as I told you, it depends upon condition. Like, currently I'm living in accommodation sharing, so this is like one side of the bed I am sharing, and the other side of the bed is shared by some other girl. So places like Kochi, Bangalore and all, everywhere it is very expensive, so people are doing accommodation sharing. But like, frankly telling you, accommodation sharing also, the expenditure is coming around 8 to 9,000 every month, including all the expenditures and all. So you have to decide like where you have to live. Based on that only you can manage your budgets, and you also have to take care of your food. I just ordered few things today, some rajma, because on weekends I like to make rajma and have it. And what did I order? This one. Yeah, I love to eat. No, this is totally show off. Basically I do not love to eat fruits, but just because Zepto was giving 125 rupees free, so to complete that I added this in my box. And I ordered one chocolate because I was feeling like to eat one chocolate, so I ordered this chocolate. It's not a brand, you can say like collaboration, but I personally love the Dairy Milk, which is having nothing, like not Silk One, nothing else, not even almonds and dry fruits and all. I just like it in this way, nothing else, only Dairy Milk. This is my favorite chocolate. And this is my very good view, so I'm going to enjoy my Dairy Milk right now. If you want to inquire more about how the life is in Kochi, so you can ask me in comment section. Hello all, good evening. आज संडे का दिन है और पूरा रेस्ट करने के बाद I have decided to go for a walk. So I'm not going alone, I'm going with my friend. She is coming now. So we are planning to just walk around Info Park to explore the places. Come. Oops. Info Park is like full of programs. So whenever any program happens, on a tree they will put this kind of things. But there is no current coming out of it. What if I'm just showing and I will die here? The ball. And this is the fountain. So if the Onam or Christmas, anything happens, this and this tree will be always ready for you to welcome for the programs in Info Park. So come on, let's go. Okay? Yeah. My date. Here's my date. We are at the tiffin company. It's like I really love their breakfast, and Appu is going to try for the first time. So let's see how her reviews are. So now I am telling which is the right place to go for eating. These days I'm giving good suggestions, right? You have to agree. So we are also planning to go to Padmanabh temple. Let's see if it really happens. Suggest us to like for some good places where we can go. And this time we girls are really planning to go to some god's place like Padmanabh temple, or even we can go to Tamil Nadu, I guess. Sri Meenakshi Sundareshwar temple. We are actually planning to go so many places, but we only plan, we never go. So I actually feel like at times like we are in Kochi and we do not go to beach. Yeah. I even do not know when was the last time I went to beach. Whenever I talk with my North Indian friends, they are like, okay, you are so lucky, you are in Kochi, there are beaches, there are this, there are that. And the reality is we never go.
Like on New Year we went.
Christmas we went, and that was so drastic. only we two know like how was our Christmas. Actually, we were stuck in a bus.
2 hours for 20 minutes travel.
2 hours for 20 minutes travel, and everyone was commenting like, why didn't you took a cab?
Yeah.
So
We don't have that.
First of all, we didn't have that much salary to spend upon. Okay, it was 25th of the month. That is the core reality. In these days, Kochi is having so many chaat corners and so many options for you to have. So that is what we have ordered over here. It's pani puri. So let's see how it is. How is it? Not as good as because Bangalore they are making very good pani puri. But you know what? This is not a real pani puri. This is like there is a papadam. Make it out of it. The real pani puri is made of rava. It's not basically a comparison, but everywhere you will not find the same taste. Even if you are going to North, the taste will be different in different areas. So it depends upon it. So there is no comparison at all. And this is my entire look is all about. So if you want the link of this dress, I will pin it over here. You can buy it from here. And now we are back at flat, and this is the best time of me of having my cup of hot water. So this was my vlog. If you like it, let me know.